Sa video na ito, tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-request at magbukas ng GCash transaction history. Let's go! To start this video, buksan natin ang GCash wallet, tap transactions. Dito sa transaction history, scroll down ka lang, then tap request transaction history. Dito sa transaction history, request form, specifically sa date range, if you click this arrow, makikita mo itong days ng mga transaction na magiging range na ipapadala sa'yo na transaction history ni GCash. Let's say you select 60 days. Automatically, mag-auto-fill out ang from and to ng mga days na allowed ni GCash i-send sa'yo na transaction history. Ito yung pinaka-latest. Tanong, paano naman po kung beyond 60 days na gusto ko makita na transaction? In that case, you can select custom sa date range, then manually mo iset up ang dates na gusto mo makita sa transaction. By clicking this calendar icon sa from, pwede ka mamili what date or petsa mag-start ang ipapadali ni GCash sa'yo na transaction. Dito naman sa 2, ito yung end ng date kung saan makikita mo transaction history. Basically, for me, gusto ko makita transaction ko from Feb 1 to Feb 14. If okay na date range, click submit request. At makikita mo ito na notification, meaning successful request mo. And after 1 to 5 minutes, you will receive an email. Saan? Dito na email kung saan nakalink GCash mo. Katulad nito. Tap mo lang yan. At once mabuksan mo na ang email, tap look safe, scroll down ka lang hanggang makita mo ang attached na PDF. Then download it. Once downloaded na, buksan mo lang, then enter your password. Tanong, paano malalaman po yung password? To know your password, buksan mo ulit ang email mo, then read this part of the email kung saan sinasabi na ang password daw po ng PDF ay ang apelyido mo in lowercase letter followed by your last 4 digits sa phone mo. Meaning, if ang apelyido mo ay Bayot, then ang last 4 digit ng registered GCash number mo ay 7290, ang password ay lowercase Bayot 7290. After entering your password, submit mo lang. Once submitted na, your requested GCash transaction history will be visible. Informative ba at helpful ang mga videos ko para sa inyo, and dahil dyan, you want me to create more videos like this. So to sustain my content creation journey, I hope you can support me by becoming my YouTube member by clicking the link in the comment section. Also, since umabot ka at the end of this video, may 2 bonuses ako para sa inyo. First bonus ko sa inyo is that since you're looking for this type of video, most likely gusto nyo i-check if may unwanted transaction ba or unauthorized transaction sa inyong GCash. Maybe because you use your GCash card sa mga mall and napansin nyo tinatype ng cashier yung mga info sa card. Because of that, you feel unsafe and unsecure. So to make yourself more secure, I recommend you to buy a CVV sticker, anti-theft, para ito ay pwede nyo ilagay sa likod ng inyong card at maprotektahan ang inyong perang pinaghirapan. So you can use my affiliate link dito, kung saan if you use this, you can buy this type of CVV anti-theft sticker at a discounted rate, 22 to 25% off, minimum spend of 200 if you use my affiliate link. So, second bonus ko sa inyo, since maybe you also want to increase your GCash limit up to 500k, may tutorial din ako para dyan, click mo lang ito. Or maybe you also want to know how to cash in sa GCash ninyo kahit na-reach na ninyo ang 500k limit. May tutorial din ako para dyan, click mo lang ito. So, if you want more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yun lang, see you in my next video. Let's go!